Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube full screen settings. So here on desktop, so browser offer multiple viewing modes and keyboard shortcut. So we will go through them, and yeah, let's get straight into it. All right. So let's say I want to watch a video. So let's click on it like that. All right. Now what I need to do for full screen mode, I just press F key on my keyboard, just like that. And as you can see, we are now in full screen mode. If I want to go out of the full screen mode, I can press Escape or F key again, just like that. Now, if I want to have theater mode, I will press T key. And as you can see, this widens the video player to fill the width of your browser window without hiding your desktop uh, taskbar. Now, if you want picture-in-picture mode, so press I key. This shrinks the video into a small movable window so you can browse other websites and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.